In this video, let's talk about how to fix X verification not working. So if you already paid for the verification or the badge for X, and if you're having issues with it, in this video, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, if you have just subscribed or paid for the X check mark or the blue check mark, in this situation, you may sometimes need to wait out at least 48 hours and maybe sometimes even up to a week before the check mark appears on your profile. Also, what you need to ensure is that if you have recently changed your display name, your username, or maybe even your profile picture, in this situation as well, you may not be able to see the check mark being displayed instantly. So what you also need to do in this situation is wait out at least a few days before the check mark or the verification badge automatically appears. But however, if none of these solutions are working out for you, in this situation, what you can do is just head over to the subscription page and make sure that the subscription is actually made or not. In some situations, you may need to provide further verification, such as providing your government verified ID, as well as you may need to upload a selfie as well. So once you follow these few steps, you should be able to fix the Twitter or X verification not working. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.